I've marked all my caps using a center punch, just putting 2 dots. Well, this one's easy to tell. It's only got 2 bolts. The rest of these are 4 bolt mains. So there's 2 dots here, 3 dots there, 4 dots there. And again, the rear main, well, you can't mix it up with anything else. So I've left this all on the front to make it easier for me to turn the engine over. Now, as I said, somebody's been through this engine before, and I thought maybe they had really, polished and cleaned up and everything, but after a little more examination, that is not the situation at all. They did do some high performance mods. I do think it had a larger cam in it than when I got it. I think whoever got this decammed it and just put in an RV cam because, well, the other cam was just a little too much for what they were trying to use it for. So dress-up kit on it. Chrome valve covers. Braided steel lines on all the hoses. Chrome oil pan. If I was to guess, I'm going to say, yep, chrome timing chain cover. So once upon a time, this was somebody's baby. Oops, there went one of my. Got a little oil. Got a little water in it. Which doesn't amaze me from the guy that I bought it from. I actually bought this as a parts truck for the front fenders and the grill and a few other parts for my step side. Yeah, that's definitely have water down in it. Same with that. But a home will clean that up so easy. But oop. There is still cross hatching. Not a lot. At the very top and the very bottom it's disappearing. But if you look, you can see it. So I'm happy about that. I am and I'm not. Some of those scratches are awful deep. So I don't like that part. That cylinder had water in it at some time. That cylinder had water in it at some time. Let's go over here. Oops, sorry. That cylinder's had water in it. That one looks clean. You see the hot cross hatching in that one. That cylinder's had a little bit of water. And you can see the cross hatching in this one. Even before I wipe it out. But we're going to hone it and then cross hatch it.